Hello guys, and welcome to Booker's Masterclass. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple way of where you can be able to find free trading signals, either forex or the crypto market. In this place I'm going to show you in this video, it is a place that it is on TradingView anyway, but it will help you. You can get free signals there. Listen, the reason why this thing is very important, maybe you are a kind of trader who you want to analyze Bitcoin, you have reached to a certain point that you don't know what to do, or you are kind of feeling like your analysis is not okay, is not aligned with the current price of the market or with the current price action of the market. Now, visiting this place I'm going to show you right now on TradingView will help you to get more ideas of what other traders are saying about that particular pair you want to trade at that particular point in time. You understand? So there is a particular place in TradingView where you can be able to get different ideas from different traders. TradingView, we are not only using TradingView for chart alone. TradingView has a lot of things that we can do with it. In TradingView, you can see other crypto traders, other traders from other places where they have built a lot of audience on TradingView. They post their chart every day, and if you are coming up in this industry, you can also be getting some ideas from what they are posting. There's one particular day that I want to trade GMT coin. Then I went on this place and I saw one guy on one idea. He said that that was when GMT pumped to around 0.056 or 0.060, no 0.60, that is 0.60. Okay, so I went there, and that time I was long on GMT. So I went there to see the ideas there, and one guy particularly predicted that GMT is going back to 0.26. That is the price, the current price of GMT right now. Immediately I saw that idea, I went back to my own trade. I said, this guy idea is, I'm not going to take this idea. I didn't take that idea, and what happened is that GMT started falling. GMT kept falling till it reached one extent that what helped me in that trade, what helped me for me not to lose a lot of money in that trade, was DCA strategy. I DCA'd my position to a certain level. Then there was a time that it pumped back to at least 0.50. I was able to sell off. And when I went back to that particular chart that guy sent, currently that chart, that target has hit. Everything he said about that analysis has played out completely. So this is why I'm saying that there is a place you can get ideas, and that is what I'm about to show you in this video. So if you are watching me for the first time, please do well and click on the follow button or click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this page. Right now, let me show you the screen and let me show you the tutorial on how you can be able to get free trading signals every day, anytime. Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial video. So this is the place I want to show you guys something today, and I believe that with this you are going to make a lot of money in the crypto space. So first of all, this place is as I said earlier, I'm going to show you how to find ideas. That is, if you want to find different signals, how to get free signals from TradingView, this is the place for you to visit. So with this application, you are on your way of getting free trading signals on TradingView. So let's go. First of all, you click on ideas. There is a place you can see ideas here. So here you can see the ideas here. All these ideas are on different things. So from here you can see that this one comprises of all idea, both editor speak, both stocks, both crypto, both forex, both indices, both futures, both bond. All these things comprises of the idea. Now if I want to select crypto, if I want to go directly for crypto, I can just come here and click on crypto. As I click on crypto, the as I click on crypto, everything I'm going to see here will be what will be focused on crypto. Now you can see the first idea that this person posted here is Dodge. Now the second idea here is Bitcoin. Now another idea here is Bitcoin. So you can see how people are sending in their charts here. With this, why once you see it, also please do well and check the time. Now you can see that this one was sent 4 hours ago. You can see this one was sent 4 hours ago. Now if I scroll down, you can see the ones that was sent the 20 hours ago. So the time is important, so you have to make sure that you are looking for the ones that was sent earlier. You understand? You can see that this one was sent 5 hours ago. These are how other predictors are predicting what will happen with Bitcoin. You can see that how they are predicting what will happen with Bitcoin. So everybody is here, and this is why you need to be using your trading view to get free signals. Now if you are a forex trader, you want to get free signal from forex, you can just come here and click forex. You can see euro USD, you can see sell GP JPY. All these things are signals that you can use freely, but you don't just come here and use these signals blindly. You are coming here, the name is what? Ideas. So this is ideas of different traders in the market, so you have to also analyze it to make sure that you get the right one and use it to compare from the one you did yourself. This will help you and to get, don't just come here and see that this person said that Dodge will crash and you go ahead and start selling all your Dodge. You have to come here and check with your chart to see whether what this guy is saying is true. You can also look for comments. You can see comments here, what people are saying about it, what people are saying about this person's call. So you can see, I agree. This person, well, first person says post your question here, what you do think about my analysis. Okay, now this person said I agree, this asset could very well show dynamics in the current market. Yes, it's quite possible, but rather after a strong upward momentum. See, so you can do a lot of things here on TradingView. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next one.